Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, Mortgage Advisor with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. Coming to you live from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgages Made Easy here in Kilburnie. And look, if I can turn the camera around, we're all here in the office today. Woo-hoo-hoo. Working hard here for you guys. Had a few clients get their offers accepted this week, haven't we, Crystal?
Yes, we have.
So it's been a good week for our clients. We've also had a few that have missed out, and we're also waiting to hear on some others as well. So it's a busy week in the Wellington housing market, property market. So, you know, if you want to get in on the action, make sure you come and see us so we can get you pre-approved so you can look to buy with confidence out there. In terms of interest rates, there's been no changes to the interest rates that I've been sharing with you over the last week. So as we get closer to the 26th of November, there may be a change there. We're expecting to hear in the States if they're going to cut their rate. I don't know if that's happened yet, but that'll be useful. But in Australia, inflation is rearing its ugly head again, and the Reserve Bank there is considering putting up their OCR. And some of the commentary that I've been reading here from our economists are also pointing out that guess what? Once our economy starts kicking in, we will also have the same with interest rates going up. So make sure you're talking to your mortgage advisor to make sure you're getting the right advice for you and your situation. I've also read an article this week about the gap between renting, paying rent, and paying a mortgage is slowly coming down. And that is even when you include the factors of rates, insurance, repairs and maintenance on your property. The gap is closing again now that interest rates have come down low enough. So if you've done those calculations yourself and you're thinking of getting pre-approved, again, would love to meet with you and help you to see what we can do for you in your situation. I've also had a few people ask me, what does the potential Labour policy for the capital gains tax mean for property? And it will have an impact, but most people I know don't speculate. They don't hold properties to flip them. It's a longer term thing. I'm not really qualified to answer that. You're best to have a chat with your accountant. I've also had some people ask me, am I worried about it? No, I'm not worried about it, because the way Labour are going with policies like that, I don't think they're going to have a show in hell getting in next year. Anyway, this isn't a party political broadcast, but yeah, it just shows you if you want to lose elections, that's one way of doing that. But New Zealand is one of the few countries in the world without a capital gains tax, so this will be coming at some stage. So you might want to start planning for an exit strategy, just like we can't have 65 years as the super for this country either. That's going to have to go up. So I think the capital gains tax conversation will start happening, but what it looks like, no one knows. But if you've got those investment properties, you do want to have to start talking to your tax accountant to look and see what is going to be your exit strategy and what will be the plans. And look, if Labour does turn it around in the polls and they start looking good, who knows, it might be fun. There might be a lot of listings before the election next year. Anyway, that's enough of me. Hope you're all well. Ka kite, take care, God bless, and we'll see you maybe tomorrow with a funny video. Who knows?